Okay, gentlemen, today we have something very special. The GeForce RTX 3900 Ti. I will be unboxing this graphic card right here, and I will talk a little bit about the use case, but of course definitely this will go head to head with the 16-inch MacBook Pro M1 Max with 64GB of RAM, and of course we'll be going against the AMD 6900 as well in terms of using Blender, Cinema 4D, Maya in relation to 3D animation or 3D visuals in general or visual effects. I am aware that the next graphics card, probably the 4000 series, maybe will be released next year. However, I would like definitely to have this one, and right now, at least if you are in the US, it's definitely on sale for around $1,100, and I think that's something that you cannot miss right now. I have not unboxed it just yet, so this will be opening it for the very first time, and actually I am super excited. So let's put that phone away, let's do this, and here we go. Wow, oh my freaking bananas. Definitely this is the one to get. Here's the graphic card. It is the Founder Edition. Holy boy, this is a heavy one. Yeah. Ooh, this is a beast of a graphic card. The fan blower design, holy cow, this fan right here is insane. And then of course you have RTX 3090 Ti. So the pin for the power is right here, if you can take a look at it. Isn't it here is very weird, but oh well. Does it have a second one? No, it doesn't. DisplayPort, and then lastly HDMI. So you have 3 display ports with 1 HDMI, and then you do have the fan right here as well. Ooh, fancy. That's the front of the graphic card, of course. This is the side, which the air mostly will be coming out of here, and then that's the other side right here. And that's the graphic card in a nutshell. You have this right here, which is matte, and then here we do have some stuff. I believe we do have warning card, and we have any small NVIDIA handbook, and then you do have the power connector right here. Let's see, that would be 1 to 8 pins right here, and then 8 pins right here, and 8 pins right here as well. So you would plug 1, 2, 3 in all of these, and then here in the back you do have, which that will actually go into your graphic card, so you can use it. Very cool. And this is the box itself. Aside from that, this is the only unit that you will be getting, and this is the graphic card, and it's the main unit that you will be working with. And the reason that I got this, there are 2 scenarios that I am thinking about. Either that I would start doing the 3D work that I am doing mainly, and it will be solely on the PC using this 3090 Ti, and probably when the 4000 series comes out I will be upgrading to that as well. Or I would use this as a render farm graphic card, where I would put it and then I would do all the editing or all the animation and all the compositing and setting up the scene and everything on the M1 Max, and then when I want to render it I would send it to this. However, definitely stay tuned for having this against M1 Max, because I always wanted to do that. What would be the difference either in rendering or even just the viewport? I am very excited to test it with Cinema 4D mainly, but of course I will be testing it with everything.